Hello and welcome to the another success story of the career acceleration mastery where the mid-level leaders are getting the success in their career, and we have a very successful member of our team, that is our Cam Manti, who is in front of us, and I would like to welcome him on this Hall of Fame interview. So help me understand, what is that you achieved through the camp, and how long did it take for you to get that success?
Yeah, thanks, Rakesh. So I actually joined in CAM and got a clarity of my career actually. So for the past 17 and a half years of experience, so I have missed many things during the jump between the companies and also during the negotiation and all. So, but in the first session of CAM itself, I got much clarity that so how I going to be a grown up in the future and how I going to deal with the uh, interviews and how I'm going to deal with the negotiation part of the interview. So these are the things it was kind of striking my mind or striking my head with a hammer actually by that first session itself. So I got much clarity in that session. So basically, I got two things, two major things. So one is to know what I'm going to do. So in the future, and the second one is how to negotiate with HR people in the HR round actually. So before that and all, actually I have literally I can say that I have screwed up the negotiation part in the previous discussions and all. So after the camp, so what I did is actually I didn't give up, and then I have did some search just before the HR discussion and found some range of pay scale for the particular profile for my profile. So I have mentioned that, and I have polishly said that. So this is what the range for this profile, and I would fit anywhere in the middle, so that I will prove myself to go into the topmost part of the range. So this is what I said, and I have achieved a couple of offers as well. So one offer, the initial one was actually 44%, and the second offer I got was 64%.
Wow. And that too within how long? I mean, how long did it take for you to
It
achieve?
was it didn't take much long, Rakesh. Actually, took lesser than 48 days.
Wow, that's awesome. That's really, really awesome that within
Thanks, Rakesh.
45 days, you have achieved two offers, that too 44 and 64%, which is incredible and commendable. So many, many congratulations on this success. Now, help us
Thanks, Rakesh.
understand. You told me about the two, three things in the career accession mastery, which is kind of help you to achieve this level of success within 45 days. Now, can I understand more from the perspective of what was your mindset before and what is your mindset now when you look at the success today? What was your mindset before and now?
Yeah, mindset before the camp was so. So whenever I get a new offer, so I will get stick with that. So I didn't look at the other offer, and even in the negotiation of the same offer, actually I got satisfied with the offer they have given, and even I didn't check the pay scale range in the market. So that was the one mistake I did many times. So that is the reason I was actually drawing a much lesser pay than I deserve. So after that, actually, since I have tasted a couple of offers now after I have joined CAM, right? So I don't want to give up again, and I will not make the same mistake again in my life.
Excellent. And help me understand, what are the two or three things that you feel that were the kind of a highlight for you in this last 45 days where you got this achievement?
Yeah, first thing is actually we need to refresh our selves, and then we need to identify what is the strength of us. Excuse me. What is the strength of our role, and what is the strength of our profile? So where can we improvise? So just before the interview and all, and also every interview. So we need to we need to do the self analysis, like where I have missed, and what is the next thing I need to again improvise. So what is the expectation they are having on my profile? So this kind of things, and we need to do the market search as well. So before we join in any interview for a particular company, then we can do some search before that interview itself. That will help us a lot, so that we can convey that we are aware of the company and we are aware of the profile they are looking for. So the one thing we need to look for is the job description of the profile they are looking for. So we need to understand what expectation they set on us, and what is the thing. We can assume that these are all the things they will ask us. So in this case, actually, the job description, going through the entire job description will be really helpful. And also it makes us to improvise ourselves on the technical side and as well as on the managerial side, if it is applicable for the profile. So, and the other part is actually the coding side as well. So on the coding side also, we need to improvise ourselves. If we haven't done coding for the past 2 or 3 months or 6 months, so for the particular interview and all, we need to get in touch with those skills as well. So we need to get into that much level, so that we can easily crack the interview, even if it carries many levels.
Okay, understood. And help me understand, I'm sure these are the elements which are helping all the people, especially the at the time when you do not realize or having the clarity that what I need to prepare on. You have a lot of knowledge, a lot of skill, lot of talent and experience. But where do I leverage that? That is where the career accession mastery comes into play. Now, what is the message that you want to give? Because I'm sure before you joining the camp, you must be having a lot of other thought process, a lot of depression, a lot of disappointments, a lot of hopes as well that I'll figure it out myself. Let me see what is missing in myself. How can I probably improve it? Maybe take up something online and so on. So, what is the message that you want to give to those people who are the mid-level leaders and they do not realize that they'll not be actually able to figure it out themselves, and rather they are wasting a lot of important time in their career where they can actually deserve more. So, what is your message to them?
Yeah, sure, Rakesh. So in my previous stints of the jobs and all, every jump I used to check with the own circle of friends actually. So my friends will provide some advices and provide some inputs actually. So sometimes it helps, sometimes it will not help actually. But I haven't got all the things all together in one umbrella. So for each and every job jump and each and every improvement or each and every attempt. So I didn't get all the information in one umbrella. So, but in the CAM, actually, what I got is so under your instructions, under your guidance, you have got a lot of experience, and you have mentioned all those things in the CAM session, first session itself. So that was helping me a lot, and you have given me a lot of insight into what we need to do in the upcoming future, and what is the goal mindset. So what is the goal we need to put it in our mindset, and what is the clarity we need to have, what level of clarity we need to have in the, especially in the mid level of career, in the mid level of our career actually. So in this case, it's a good sessions, and we can get a lot of things in one session and also in the upcoming sessions actually. So because your people are joining gradually, and also they will also have their own vision, and they will be able to share their own ideas, and we can get a lot of things not only from one session, and we can get many things in the upcoming sessions as well. So there are other sessions also available. I get some information about that, so it will be really helpful.
Okay, wonderful. And I'm very happy with the way you are going, because I discussed with you before this interview that you what is the kind of vision that you are creating for yourself, right? And I believe
Yeah,
that you are in that right direction now, having got a couple of offers in your hand, and there are a lot of calls coming in still
correct.
in your way. So that is a good advantage that you have through camp, that a lot of people struggle in that level, that oh, they are not getting any interview calls or not getting the offers. Unfortunate part is that they don't want to work on themselves. And once you
Yes.
start working on yourself, having that clarity as a foundation, I'm sure each one of you who are having the experience, I believe all of us at that mid-level career or mid-management, we deserve more. And that is what you're proving me again and again with all the success story in the Hall of Fame. So I just want to congratulate you for your
Thanks, Rakesh.
bright future and an excellent journey that you have with the camp. And look forward to seeing the Executive Leaders Club and the Growth Leaders Club, where we actually take your bar to the next level and make you top management ready. So for audience who are watching it, whether it is live or otherwise, make sure that you, if you are not aware of it, just join the link in the comment section or in the description somewhere. And you'll be also getting this opportunity to meet me live to understand how you can transform and 3x your growth from nowhere. And that is what is possible in your mid-level career as well. So look forward to seeing another success story in the next episode of Hall of Fame. Till that time, take care and God bless everyone. Thank you.